Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing your GTM container ID and confirming you can edit WordPress. Once done, back up the active theme files so you can restore if needed. Make sure you have either a child theme or a header injection plugin ready. This preserves updates. Open GTM, copy the two code snippets, one for the head, one after the opening body tag. You're now set to place the first snippet into WordPress. Proceed carefully to avoid breaking the site. Now you'll insert the two GTM snippets into your WordPress theme. First, edit header. PHP in your child theme and paste the head snippet just before /head, or use a header plugin to inject it. Next, place the body snippet immediately after the opening body tag. Use theme files or a plugin that supports body injections. After pasting, save changes and clear any site and CDN caches. Make sure not to duplicate the container ID. Duplicates finish by validating installation. Enable GTM preview and open your site to see the debug panel. You should see tags loading and events firing. If tags don't appear, disable caching, remove duplicate GTM ID, and check for ad blockers or security plugins blocking scripts. Once validated across desktop and mobile, publish the container in GTM. Finally, monitor analytics for expected hits. If you still have issues, revert to your backup and reapply changes step by step to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.